artistic family. Today we are painting on a 16 by 20 inch canvas. We're going to create stunning abstract art very simply, starting off with the first layer using a roller, a foam roller that has existing black on it. You can get stunning and unique patterns starting your abstract art this way. Now your patterns will vary depending on the amount of pressure that you apply to the roller. And here I'm just lightly allowing it to guide and then going a little bit harder towards the edges to make the impressions darker, adding more depth and creating a lot more interest to the painting as well. Now here I'm going vertical or horizontal depending on how you're looking at the screen. But after this dries, I'm going to go in with a long flat brush because I love those brush strokes that the long flat brush versus the flat provides. And I'm going to do that in the opposite direction. And that type of staggered layering also adds depth and interest to your painting as well. So I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. It is all free. It helps the channel. And please double check to make sure that your notifications are on all so that way you don't miss any more inspirational videos. So I'm going to put some music on for you and for me, and we're going to get going. the patterns and variation. Again, very simplistic techniques. Play with your tools, guys, because you do not know what patterns and beautiful designs you can create with them until you explore. We have kind of like a plaid look. I absolutely love it. We have the dark and the light, and from the blending, light blending there, we have some shadows, create some beautiful hazy feel. We've got the stunning texture. This creates beautiful texture, just visual texture. And I absolutely love it. Now you can do as many layers as you want. I wanted this very simplistic and minimal. I had a little bit of a bleed through, if you guys saw on the second tape when I pulled it off. So I just decided to go up here and add a little bit more color variation, as I was going to keep it all white. But overall, it looks fantastic. And again, the edges just finish it off. So thank you so much for being here, guys. If you enjoyed the painting and the process and the video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you all in the next painting.